Forming simple questions. Learn English this summer. Speak confidence. Do you want to speak English confidently? Can you ask questions without fear? Then today's lesson is perfect for you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our 30-day Learn English summer series. Today is day 5 and we are learning how to form simple questions in English. Today you will learn do you, can you, where is and many useful daily questions. By the end of this video, you will be able to ask simple questions easily in English. Part 1. Do you? Questions. We use do you to ask about habits, likes and daily activities. Formula. Do you plus verb plus extra words. Question mark. Examples. Do you play cricket? Do you like coffee? Do you watch YouTube? Do you go to school? Do you speak English? Now practice time. Repeat after me. Do you like music? Do you read books? Do you wake up early? Excellent. Good. Next part 2. Can you? Questions. We use can you to ask about ability or help. Formula. Can you plus verb plus extra words. Examples. Can you swim? Can you help me? Can you drive a car? Can you speak Telugu? Can you open the door? Now mini conversation. A. Can you help me? B. Yes, I can. A. Can you dance? B. No, I can't. Part 3. Where is? Questions. We use where is to ask about location. Formula. Where is plus place or object or person ends with question mark. Examples. Where is my bag? Where is the bus stop? Where is the bathroom? Where is your school? Where is my phone? Now real life practice. Imagine you are in a new city. Excuse me, where is the railway station? Where is the hospital? Where is the hotel? Very useful for travel. Next part 4. Daily questions you must know. Here are some common English questions. What is your name? How are you? Where do you live? What do you do? Can you help me? Do you understand? What time is it? Practice these every day. Next, part 5. Fun speaking activity. Answer these questions in comments. Do you like summer holidays? Answer this question in comment section. Can you cook? Where is your hometown? Do you watch English videos? Can you introduce yourself in English? Try answering in English. Don't worry about mistakes. So comment these questions in comment section. Quick revision. Today we learned do you is used for habits and likes. Can you is used for ability and help. Where is? It is used for location questions. These are the most common English questions used every day. Great job everyone. Now you can ask simple questions in English confidently. Tomorrow in day 6 we will learn something even more exciting. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Keep learning English this summer in a fun and easy way. See you See you in the next class. Thank you.